Pyraking Studio. This time I changed the halogen lights to LED lights, but the transformer was not repressed. Was it better to repress the transformer? Now remove the transformer. Remember to power off before working. This should be no problem, right? The light can be slowly pushed down from here, but catch it with the other hand from below. This is a coil type transformer. It has a power of 50 watts. This transformer is durable and not easy to break. Its structure is very simple, just the iron core and the coil. This is an electronic transformer. It is a dedicated 8-watt power supply for LED lights. See what's inside. Wow, this board looks good. The parts here are all common. These are capacitors, inductors, and transformers. See what's on the back of the board. There are diode bridge, power management chip, and diodes here. This should be a typical PWM circuit. Since I only bought one piece, I won't destroy the glue on it. Today is not about learning its circuit, now assembling it. Remember one thing, it's only 8 watts.
Pyraking, what is the difference between electronic transformer and the traditional transformers?
Now I can be sure that the traditional transformers are more durable, but the difference in the performance is uncertain.
What to do then?
The actual text will know. Here we go. Wiring the traditional transformer first. The wires are connected. Now test the no-load power consumption. The no-load power consumption is 5.2 watts. Test output voltage. 10.12. I saw it would be 12. Now connect the LED light and try it out. Connect the power meter to prepare for testing. Send electricity. 9.4 watts, the power indication of this lamp is not accurate. You see, 9.4 watts. Testing electronic transformer. The wires be connected soon. Plugged in and ready to test. Power on. Zero power with protection. Did you forget it has a power management chip? Oh, I almost forgot. Output voltage 11.66. Isn't the rated voltage 12? Put on an LED light. Power consumption is 5.7 watts. This traditional transformer design has a capacity of 50 watts. Just measure an LED light with less than 5 watts of power, then increase the load to see what changes. Does that make sense? I think it is like this. This test gives a better idea of how to choose. Great, tell us about it. This traditional transformer design capacity is about 50 watts. The power of this LED light is 5 watts. So this transformer should be able to connect 10 LED lights. You see, no load is 5.3 watts. Ready to connect the first light. With the light load, it is 9.4 watts. So the power of this LED light is about 4.1 watts. Smart as you, would you know how many watts adding to light is? Doing a little math and you know it's going to be 13.5 watts. Looks really so. What are you happy about? This could be accomplishment by elementary school students. So 18-3 lights should be 17.5 watts, right? No doubt. Connect and power on and you'll know the result. Now connect the wire to test. Okay, turn on the power. Oh, it's 18. The error is about 0.5 watts. By the way, test the lamp power of a BB lamp changed to the LED lamp. How much difference is it with the ballast being removed and not being removed? LED light with ballast. Turn on the power. 11.9 watts. Now cut the power cord to the ballast. The ballast will not be removed, just modify the circuit. Okay, turn on the power. Wow, it's 11.5 watts. So the power of this ballast is only 0.3 watts. This is incredible. Today's experimental data is out.
But I still don't understand.
I've got the data sorted.
Then you explain it.
The test we did today with traditional transformer, electronic transformer, ballast. In terms of power consumption, traditional transformer is 5.3 watts, electronic transformer is 1.3 watts, the ballast is 0.4 watts. If we put both traditional transformer and the electronic transformer on maximum load, under such conditions, the power consumption ratio of the traditional transformer is 12.8%. The electronic transformer is 15%. In addition, traditional transformers are more durable, so I personally think that the traditional transformer is better. So your old transformer doesn't need to be dismantled at all, but you need to modify the wiring. The power consumption of this ballast only accounts for 3.4% of total power consumption, so it doesn't need to be removed. So today's conclusion is that if your traditional transformer is still there is no need to replace it, and the ballast of this kind of lamp doesn't need to be removed. Then I put the LED light back in its original position and connect the electronic transformer. Paprikin didn't use that traditional transformer are better, so start giving them an endurance test today to see which one will break first. Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirating Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.